Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a headphone mix in Pro Tools. First, we'll create a dedicated auxiliary input track to serve as our main headphone bus. This ensures a clear, independent signal path for your performers. We'll then configure its input and output to route the audio correctly, providing a solid foundation for your monitoring setup. This initial step is crucial for maintaining control over your mix. Next, let's dive into creating the auxiliary track. Go to Track, then New, and select one mono aux input. Name it something clear like HP Mix, so you can easily identify it. This track will be the central hub for your headphone blend. We'll then assign its input to a bus, for example, bus 1 and 2, and its output to your desired headphone output. Typically, your main interface outputs 3 and 4, or a dedicated headphone amplifier. Now let's handle the routing. Set the input of your HP Mix aux track to an unused stereo bus, perhaps bus 1 and 2. Then, set its output to your physical headphone output on your audio interface, often outputs 3 and 4. For each track you want in the headphone mix, create a send to that same bus. Ensure these sends are set to post-fader if you want the headphone mix to follow your main mix levels, or pre-fader for an independent blend. Finally, it's time to fine-tune your headphone mix. On each track, adjust the send level to the HP Mix bus to achieve the desired balance for your performer. You can also add a compressor or EQ to the HP Mix aux track itself to further shape the overall sound. Remember to communicate with your artist to ensure their mix is comfortable and inspiring. A great headphone mix can significantly improve performance and recording quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.